Hey everyone, how y'all doing? So in this video I'm going to talk about two accessories you might want to get for your Echo Show 5 and your Echo Show. Now the first one I want to mention is the Echo Show stand. So if you're going to get the Echo Show or the Echo Show 5, I would recommend that you get these stands because they work out perfectly. You know, this one is magnetic, so it sticks right to it, but the Echo Show, it has a different design and it's not magnetic. Wish it was too, because it would be so easy to put on, but it's not that hard. This is what it looks like. So it's adjustable just like the Echo Show 5. You know, you got the adjustability right there. You can tilt it up and down. The only difference is if you do it too hard or too fast, it tends to slip right off. So you have to hold the base and hold the show at the same time while you're doing the adjustment. Now on the Echo Show, you're permanently mounted on the bottom of the device. It's not magnetic like the Echo Show 5, so it's not going anywhere. So let me go ahead and mount it and show you how it's done. So first you have to do is flip over the device, and then you'll have two screws right here. They're easy to take off. I use a penny just to undo them and then put this in place and mount it at the bottom. So all you have to do now is just take the penny, put it in the slot and turn it to the left. And do the same thing over here. And now they're loose. So you can use your fingernail, pop them out, and this is what it looks like. And then you do the same thing over here, pop this one out. And then all you have to do is line up back these two right here. So make sure they're sitting up like this so they can go into the slot. You just have to line it up. It's plain and simple. So turn them where you need them to be. Put it into the spot. Slide it in place and take the same penny and now lock it back in place, the opposite direction. And there you go. It's that simple. So now that this is mounted on there, it's firmly mounted on there, so it's not going anywhere until you manually take it off. And you can make that adjustment, you know, forward and back, perfect angle that you can adjust it to so you can get that right angle for your viewing pleasure. So I would recommend you get the stand for any one of these devices. Whether you get the Echo Show 5 or the regular Echo, get that mounted stand on it because it's adjustable. There's a few more different brands on Amazon website for this guy over here that you can, you know, buy, but I went with the ones that was made by Amazon. But if you choose not to go with those, no problem, as long as they work for you. Now the Echo Show don't have the color changing stands like this guy over here, because white come with white and black come with black on this guy over here. Now on this one, it's only a black stand, so if you get any other color, you're going to end up with the black stand anyway. Then the next one I would like to recommend is a screen protector. Now some people like the screen protector like me, and some people don't. But if you would like to protect your screen on the Echo Show and the Echo Show 5, then you might want to get these two recommended screen protectors. So this one is designed for the Echo Show 2nd generation. It's made by LANMU. The cool thing about this one is it has a built-in camera cover which protect your privacy. So it actually has a little slider that can slide to cover the camera. The camera slider is built into the Echo Show 5, but it's not built into the Echo Show. With the screen protector with the built-in camera cover, now you can protect your privacy just like you can on the Echo Show 5. And another reason why I like this screen protector is made with tempered glass. So that eliminates all that bubbling, because it's not a little plastic sheet you're trying to put on top of the screen, and it lays right on top of the screen and it sticks to it, and it has that thickness in it to prevent you from damaging your screen. So when you tap the screen or you hit the screen with something accidentally, it's not going to go through and hit the original glass. That tempered glass is going to take the impact. And the screen protector for the Echo Show is based on the environment you're going to have it in. If you got it in the garage or any places like that that you don't want to have the screen get damaged by accidental hits, then you definitely want to get a screen protector, and I would recommend you get this one. Now unfortunately, this company doesn't make the same kind of screen protector for the Echo Show 5. I found another company that produced one for the Echo Show 5 that works just as great. But it will protect your Echo Show 5 screen because it's made of the same tempered glass material just like the Echo Show. So if your Echo Show 5 is going to be in a rough environment, I recommend that you get the screen protector and protect your screen from any damage. Okay, I know I said two, but here's a bonus one you might want to toss in there, and that's a surge protector. Now, you're spending a lot of money on these electronics. You need to protect them as best as you can. Now, power surge happen from the lights flickering, storm outside, or power surge that happen inside your home because there's too much power coming from one breaker switch. Now, some of these equipment can handle those little surges, but then again, sometimes it might cause damage to your equipment. So put that extra layer of protection between the outlet and your device by getting a surge protector. But if you really want to take it up a notch, you can get a backup power supply. That way you don't have to worry about that sudden shutdown and you have to wait for the device to reboot to start back up again. Alright, so those are the products that I would recommend for your Echo Show and your Echo Show 5. Just for a little protection and ease of use. If you're interested in any of these products, the links are in the description. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching this video. I look forward to see you next time. Have a good one.